Hello, I am Daedran and welcome to E! Prime this evening. Top reggae acts team up against human trafficking. The song, titled No Shadows After Dark, sees Albarosi, Christopher Martin, Romain Fargo, Dean Fraser, Dwayne Stevenson, Kabaka Pyramid, Etana, Taurus Riley, Morgan Heritage, Raging Fire and others joining forces to raise awareness and spark conversations on human trafficking. Shadow After Dark is a campaign from the Ministry of National Security, National Task Force Against Trafficking in Persons and VP Records. Albarosi, who is also the writer and producer of the track, spoke with E! Prime on his involvement in the project.
I'm always involved in charity programs and youth upliftment through music and stuff like that. After several meetings with the deputy superintendent, for me to understand the issue of human trafficking in Jamaica and globally, I decided to create a song involving many more artists and not only me alone. Then I came up with a punchline. I start to sing like, Shadows After Dark, something like, don't trust no shadows after dark.
Shadow After Dark is available on all digital platforms. That's it for E! Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.